Have you ever wondered what happens if you turn on airplane mode while you're in the middle of a FaceTime call? Well, I was actually curious about this myself, so I tried it on my iPhone. And wow, here's exactly what happened. Let's say you're on FaceTime with your friend, doing a video call, and suddenly you decide to turn on airplane mode. What you're going to want to do is swipe down to open Control Center and tap the airplane icon right here. The moment you turn on airplane mode, your iPhone instantly cuts off cellular data. Your FaceTime video is going to freeze for a second, the audio stops, and then the call ends completely. On your screen, you'll probably see something like call failed or reconnecting. Meanwhile, the other person is going to see your video freeze or turn black. For example, imagine you're talking to your friend while walking outside, and you accidentally turn on airplane mode. Since your phone no longer has an internet connection, FaceTime can't keep the call going. But here's something interesting. Let me check something real quick. If you turn on airplane mode and then manually turn Wi-Fi back on and connect to a working Wi-Fi network, your FaceTime call could reconnect or even continue working. So airplane mode doesn't permanently block FaceTime. It only disables cellular data by default. For example, if you're on an airplane with in-flight Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and enable Wi-Fi again after turning on airplane mode, and FaceTime may still work. Okay, let's break it down. FaceTime freezes immediately. Audio and video stop. The call disconnects. Cellular data turns off. Wi-Fi can be turned back on manually. Have you noticed this? Comment below. Anyways, if you have any other questions about FaceTime or airplane mode on iPhone, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.